Hiccups are annoying, and they can hurt, but I have a tried and true method for getting rid of them. Here is what you will need. First, you'll want to fill your cup or pint glass with water or non-carbonated beverage. Next, you will need to place the straw in the cup. Now make fists with each hand and extend your pinkies and thumbs out like this. Now cover your ears with your thumbs and plug your nose with your pinkies and drink until you can't drink anymore. Ta-da! No more hiccups.